Java Burn coffee reviews. What are customers saying about Java Burn? Java Burn combines the world's first proprietary form of plant extracts, amino acids and antioxidants. Each pouch comes packaged with just 30 sachets. Java Burn has a very strong weight loss plan that delivers on promise. It's designed to dispel any fears relating to this supplement. Java Burn FAQs. Java Burn is a coffee powder that can be added to your morning coffee beverage, boosting health, energy, metabolism and wellness with nutritional synergies. Java Burn contains allergenic, organic, gluten-free and vegetarian grains, with no synthetic colors, preservatives or stimulants. A 30-day supply in Java Burn is $49.50. One serving packets are recommended. You save by using Java Burn as a standalone application or Java Burner is recommended for 90 to 180 days for good results. https://bit.ly/3larkcb. In July, we'll be launching our new product which will be available on all devices.